Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to REALME C11 2021. Firstly, open Play Store on REALME and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then you need to click on the search bars, type send anywhere, and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just open it. Now choose I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Following that, select send on HUAWEI and receive on REALME. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo, choose send and click got it. Over here we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and after that choose receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on REALME, then click while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Now we need to wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!